Stay with me, Lord, that I may never forget you. Stay with me, Lord, because I'm weak. Stay with me, Lord, for you are my life. Stay with me, Lord, for you are my life. Oh, how I need you, my Jesus, if the night of exile. Stay with me, my Jesus, in the breaking of the bread, the light which disperses all darkness, the force that sustains me, the unique joy of my heart. Stay with me, Lord, to show me your will. Stay with me, Lord, that I may hear your voice and follow you. Stay with me, Lord, for I desire to love you. Stay with me, Lord, if you wish me to be faithful to you. Oh, how I need you, my Jesus, in the night of exile. Stay with me, my Jesus, on the breaking of the bread, the light which disperses all darkness, the force that sustains me, the unique joy of my heart.